Josie, I won't fail you, I won't fail you, have no fear. Josie, I won't fail you, give me one more chance, day is near. The meadows they are bursting, the yellow corn lies in your hand. And the night comes with sorrow, and the tide of dawn slips on the land. Long breezes are blowing all down the sky into my face. Merry kind of feeling, now the time has come, I've gone to wait. Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Sorpingers again with hopefully another interesting golden oldie for you. Of course, this is a song called Josie from Donovan from about 1965, I think this was. Okay, standard tuning, capo on fret 5. Okay, we're doing it in the same key that he recorded the song in, which is the key of C, but to get the sound he does on the record, I've got a capo on the 5th fret. Okay, so without more to do, let's get to showing you hopefully what I did. Right then, boys and girls, what you heard me play there in the demo was basically an intro followed by 3 verses. Okay, there are actually 6 verses in the song and 2 verses played as an instrumental with the harmonica solo over the top. So effectively you have an intro and 8 verses altogether, and all the verses play exactly the same on the guitar. So all you need for me to show you is the intro and a verse, and then you can play the whole song. Okay, so let's get to it. Don't forget, standard tuning, capo fret 5. Okay, so starting off with the G chord, I'm playing it like this. You could play it like that. Okay, just I prefer to play it like this. Okay, so starting off, I'll just play the intro slowly, and then I'll show you what I did. Okay. And I'll break it down really simply, okay, so as far as I can, okay. Okay, right, got the idea. So, starting off with the G chord, okay, and what we do with this is we play the 4th string, and I'm going to make it really simple. Simple way, I'll show you a slightly harder way and a simpler way. Okay, so the simple way is to play the 4th string and just do 2 downstrokes, 4 downwards, alright? Then repeat that, so you do that twice, so it's up. Alright? Now on the second one you only do it once, sorry, so it's 2 and 1. Just 1 strum on the second one, okay? Then what you do is you add your 2nd finger to the 2nd fret of the 4th string and strum that down 4 downwards. Okay, so now you got. Then take it off and do another strum 4 downwards with the finger off. Just open 4th string downwards, okay? So you got. Right, now when I play it, obviously I play a little bit of up and downers on it, so it's, but that could probably come later, okay, so the basic version is this. Okay, then you play a little rundown, 4th string, open, 3rd fret 5th string, the A string, 2nd fret 5th string, open 5th string, and then a D chord. Okay, so you got. Got that? Very slowly. Okay, then we play the 4th string. So after you've done that strum, you play the 4th string open strum. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. You really need to put your thumb over the bottom E string 2nd fret and then strum the D again. Okay, so it's like A string strum, D string strum, F sharp, the bottom E string 2nd fret strum. Okay, so now we've got this. For that, bong ching, bong ching, bong ching. Okay, and then we do a little run up to the G chord. We take the thumb off, play the open bottom E string, and then put your thumb back on it, play the 2nd fret on the bottom E, and then we're back to the G chord again, or that way, whichever one you're doing. Okay, so far we're nearly there. Okay, so we got from the beginning. Come back to that G, you play the bottom E string, 3rd fret, strum, and then we do a little hammer on the 4th string up to the 2nd fret. If you're doing it with that, it's the 1st finger, okay, whichever, okay, and then play the 3rd string open. So that up to that point we've got this now, okay, so let's go. So you do a hammer, open 4th to 2nd fret 4th, and then you play the 3rd string open. Okay? And there's only one thing to come after that, so let's get up to that point really slowly, okay? Sorry. And then finally, we do a hammer, open A string, 5th string to the 2nd fret. So we got that, like that, and then we go back to the G and we're into the song. Josie, I won't fail ya. Okay, so very slowly the whole intro. Okay, the easy way. Okay, so here we go, or easier. Right. Once again, I'll play it even slower. Okay, right, that's the intro for you. And now the verse, right? The verse is a G. Josie, I won't fail ya. So this is why one of the reasons I play this G like this. Because if you play it like this, it's not quite the same. You can't do what I'm doing like that. You'd have to change it slightly. So what I'm doing is this G shape, and then Josie, and all you do there is you just move these 2 fingers from the G, and you move, these 2 fingers come into play, and you play the 1st fret of the 2nd string, the B string, with the 1st finger, and the 4th string, the 2nd fret on the 4th string with the 2nd finger. Okay, and that's like C with G in the bass. Okay, so it's da, 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 da. So G to the C with the G in the bass, and back to the G. If you're playing it like that, that becomes very difficult. You could play a C chord. So that if you're going to play it like that, the G like that, then I would suggest you play a C chord, just a straightforward C chord, right? Josie, I won't fail ya. Okay, that's the alternative. But if you're playing it like this, then Josie, I won't fail ya. Okay. And then what you do is this. Josie, I won't fail ya. I won't fail. Well, you play the G, I, and then you go to the C, the C note, third on the fifth, won't, second on the fifth, fail. Then you play the open A string, U, strum the D chord, then the D string, just like you did on the intro, A string, strum, D string, strum, second on the bottom E, strum, and then the build up, open E, second on the bottom E, back to the G, and then that hammer on the second, on the fourth, open G, and then hammer, open fifth to second, and then you're in the second part of the verse. So it's slowly, it's Josie, I won't fail you, I won't fail you, have no fear. Second part of the verse, Josie, I won't fail you, give me one more chance, the day is near. Right, so I'll slow that right down for you. Josie, I won't fail you, I won't fail you, have no fear. Josie, I won't fail you, give me one more chance, the day is near. And that's it. Just do that another 8 times. 7 times for the whole song. That's just the whole verse, and it just repeats another 7 times or so. Okay, so I hope that made sense to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for that. Bye for now.